Welcome to RJ Car Tech. Here we will try to fix your car for a lower price and be the car technician to your own car. Please like and share, and press the subscribe and notification bell buttons for more videos. In today's video we will try to repair the Toyota Camry 2015 air conditioning control switch. In this Toyota Camry 2015, the air conditioning control switch is having a problem with the rotary knob switch of the fan speed control. Here you can see I will try to turn off the fan speed, but it is very difficult because the rotary knob switch is already out of control and turning all the way down, and if I try to turn it to the high side, it will also go all the way down. It looks like the fan speed control is already broken inside. And if we try to replace this air conditioning control switch with a new one, the price is too expensive, but if we try to repair this fan speed rotary knob, we will save our money and we don't need to spend a higher price. To be able to fix this problem, first we have to remove the cover of the radio and air conditioning control switch. After removing the cover, we have to unscrew the two 10mm bolts on the top of the radio to be able to remove the radio and air conditioning control switch. And then remove the wiring harness socket at the back of the radio and air conditioning control. Now that we have already removed the radio and air conditioning controls, we have to separate the air conditioning control switch to fix the fan speed rotary knob switch. As you can see, I have already opened the air conditioning control. Upon checking the control switch, I noticed that there was a small broken part on the knob switch. This broken part of the knob switch is the one that is causing the problem with this air conditioning control switch. And this small broken part is the one to stop the rotary knob from turning all the way down and up. Now that we know how this knob switch works, we have to come up with a solution to replace this broken part with our own way of fixing it. Some of us will be thinking of putting some glue on it. But that will not fix the problem for a long time. Here I will show you how I will repair this problem with a simple and easy method. It will fix the problem permanently. By using a wood screw, I will make a hole inside of the knob switch at the exact location of the broken part. Here you can see that the wood screws are making a small plastic hump, inside where the broken part is located. This small plastic hump, we made by using a wood screw, will be used to replace the broken part of the rotary knob switch. Now it's time to test if we fixed the problem. I reinstalled all the parts of the rotary knob switch to check if the hump that we made inside will hold the rotary knob in the normal position and prevent the fan speed switch from going all the way down and all the way up. Now that we have already fixed all the parts of the air conditioning control switch, we will try to rotate the fan speed rotary knob switch and check if we resolve the problem. As you can see, the fan speed rotary knob switch is working fine. It is not difficult to turn off and does not turn all the way down. Now I will try to connect this air conditioning control switch to check before I fully install the parts with the radio and the cover. Now the air conditioning control switch is working great and the rotary knob switch for fan speed is back to normal operation like a new one. Now we're ready to install everything with the radio and the cover. Now that we have already fixed all the parts, we will try it again. It's a great fix. The fan speed rotary knob switch problem is no more. Now I can turn it off and turn it up to a higher speed without having a problem. We solved the problem with a simple tool and without spending any money. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share, and press the subscribe and notification bell buttons.